From Saudi with Love. Ito ang kwento ni Rawan Raduan at ng kanyang dating Pinay nanny o yaya na si Dada Mary. 2 linggo nang nakararaan nung sila'y nagkita at nagkausap sa pamagitan ng internet. Ngayon, dumating mismo si Rawan dito sa Pilipinas at ang madamdamin niyang pakikipag-reunion sa Pilipinang minsang nag-alaga sa kanya. Ating saksihan. Nagsimula ang lahat sa isang artikulo sa Manila Bulletin. Isang Saudi journalist hinahanap ang dati niyang Pinay yaya na nag-aruga sa kanilang magkakapatid. 22 taon na ang nakalilipas. Ang Saudi journalist, si Rawan Raduan.
I don't know, something about her, something about the way she treated us, the way she was so kind to us, even though she didn't have a family of her own.
Ang kanyang yaya, tinawag niyang Dada Mary. Ang alam lang daw ni Rawan, nakatira ito sa probinsya ng Quezon.
Something about her makes us think that way, make us feel very touched, make us like feel emotional that she left, you know?
Sa unang linggo nitong Agosto, nahanap ng aming programa ang dating nanny o yaya ni Rawan sa barangay Masalukot 1 sa Quezon. Ang 50 anyos na ngayong si Maria Luningning Bebit na isa ng barangay tanod sa kanilang lugar. Nagtungo si Ningning sa Saudi taong 1987 para kalimutan ang kamamatay lang niya noong asawa hanggang napunta siya sa pamilya Raduan. Kumusta ho yung pamilya?
Ay, mababait naman po sila sa akin. Marami nga po kaming katulong sa bahay, kaya lang di ako pitutok sa bata.
Saan po ba si Rawan dito, ma'am?
Ito po, itong malaki.
Mabait tong bata yan.
Mabait din
Talaga ho. Mukhang mahal na mahal ho nila kayo no?
Oo, naku, sobra.
Si Ningning at ang kanyang dating alaga na si Rawan muli naming pinagtagpo nung araw ding yon sa Skype. There's your nanny.
Hi, Rawan!
Hi, Dada!
How are you? I miss you.
I miss you too, Dada. It's been a very long time.
Ipinakita rin ni Ningning kay Rawan ang mga pinakainingatan niyang pictures ng kanyang mga alaga. Tila dito na touch ng husto si Rawan.
I have here. Look. This is you. Here is Adil.
Mukhang hindi nakalimutan ni Rawan ang mga itinuro ng kanyang Dada Mary, pati na ang mga kantang Pilipino.
Pen, di Sara, pen. The kutsilyo na. Yes!
Tintong pila na mumulaklak sa tabi ng dagat. Ahay, buhay.
Ang hindi nila alam, mapapaaga ang muli nilang pagtatagpo. Dahil nito lang August 21, dumating si Rawan dito sa Pilipinas. Oh, wow, you flew all the way to the Philippines?
Yeah.
To meet your nanny.
Yes. I was actually doing an interview for a magazine, a very well-known magazine called Sayyidati magazine. I was conducting the interview with one of their journalists, and she just told me out of the blue, "We're sending you to the Philippines." Within a week, everything was prepared, and we contacted you as well, and just went on from there. And so I'm here.
Your life changed because of your search for your nanny.
Somewhat, yeah. I'm more recognized now by the Pinoy community in Jeddah. I've been to a couple of different places, and they've recognized me. And they're like, "Can we please take a selfie with you?" And I'm like, "Sure, no problem."
One thing that touched me about the things that you said about Luningning is how she was able to plant a seed of kindness in all of you.
Miss Jessica, Dada was kind every step of the way. Everything she did was with a smile, was with a nice word, with a kind touch. There was never a time where she was harsh with us, even if we did something bad or we misbehaved, or you know how kids are. But no, she was always genuinely nice.
Ayon kay Rawan, may isang pagkaing Pilipino na hinding-hindi niya malilimutan.
She fed you a lot of Filipino food. I understand.
I don't remember much, but I remember something with sweet potato. Roasted on a pan, and there's a lot of brown sugar involved. And it was just very sticky sweet, and you know, children, sticky sweet is always good. So.
And you love that.
Yes, of course, until now. I tried doing it. I tried doing so for my husband a couple of times, and he's like, that's not how any Filipino yaya would do it. I was like, okay, I'll stop. I won't try to do it anymore.
Ang nag-sponsor ng biyahe ni Rawan, ang kanya mismong editor sa magazine na kanyang pinagtatrabahuhan.
Rima, you flew in all the way from Saudi Arabia with Rawan for this story. What did you see in it?
Some families don't believe that Saudis can be warm-hearted and kind to their families working in the kingdom. And we thought maybe highlighting such a story and sponsoring such a trip would be very interesting and very good for the families and the workers in the kingdom as well.
Nung sumunod na araw, tumulak na ang aming team kasama si Rawan papuntang Candelaria sa Quezon. Sakto namang nung araw ding yon, paparangalan si Ningning o si Dada Mary dahil sa natatangin itong paglilingkod noon bilang isang OFW. Ang programa idadaos sa Tayabas Western Academy kung saan siya nag-graduate.
Hi, it's Rawan. Today is the day. Today we're going to surprise Dada Mary. I'm just feeling so excited. I'm just happy. I'll see you later.
Habang abala ang lahat, si Ningning o si Dada Mary ni Rawan naghahanda na rin. Si Rawan malapit na sa venue.
So we're on our way to the ceremony. The streets look a little bit empty, but let's see how it goes. This is very exciting.
Ang dating magyaya, halos sabay na dumating sa eskwelahan. Si Rawan, hindi na iwasang maluha nung una niyang masilayan ang kanyang dating yaya.
Anxiety. I can't breathe. She looks good. She looks very good. Yeah, too. Even though I prefer her dark, long hair like she used to do it before. But yeah, she looks happy, she looks excited. This is exciting. We call this in Arabic Hamas. Excitement. Okay.
Ilang sandali na lang, ang yaya at ang kanyang dating alaga personal nang magkikita. Abangan ang madamdamin nilang pagtatagpo sa aming pagbabalik.
Mahal kita!
Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan? Saudi Arabia, bumiyahe papuntang Pilipinas ang Saudi journalist na si Rawan Radwan. Dumating siya ng Maynila at nagtungo ng Quezon Province para personal na niyang makita ang Pilipinang minsang nag-alaga sa kanilang magkakapatid. Wala siyang kamalay-malay sa napakalaking sorpresang naghihintay sa kanya nung araw ding yon. Nag-umpisa na ang palatuntunan.
Hindi ko po inaasahan na ako ay mabigyan ng award. Pero pinagmamalaki ko na may isa pa ng katulad ko na nagmahal at naglingkod sa ibang bansa. Maraming pong salamat. Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat.
Ito po, inyong mapapanood.
Pagkatapos nito, isang video message ang ipinanood kay Ningning o Dada Mary.
I'm very happy. I'm very proud of you, Daddy. You deserve so much more. Mahal kita.
Ang buong akala niya, sa video message lang niya makikita si Rawan. Ang hindi niya alam, ang 22 taon na hindi nila pagkikita. Nung araw ding yon, sa wakas, matutuldukan na.
Mahal kita!
Sino ba yan? Sino ba yan?
You look beautiful.
You are alone. You're still beautiful.
You are too.
Thank you.
You look beautiful.
Thank you very much.
I don't know what to say. I'm just shaking, and thank you so much. Thank you so much for celebrating this woman. She deserves it, and she deserves much, much more. Thank you so much.
Rawan, thank you very much for giving me the happiness in my whole life. This is the very, very unforgettable moment for me. Thank you very much.
Pagkatapos nito, dinala ni Ningning si Rawan sa kanilang bahay para makapagkwentuhan.
Here's my house.
Nice.
Si Rawan, may itinatago rin palang larawan ng kanyang Dada Mary sa kanyang pitaka.
Remember these?
Yeah. This is the first time I don't lie.
May pasalubong din si Rawan sa kanyang dating yaya.
You need to indulge. You need to
Wow,
spoil yourself.
thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome. Wait, there's still more.
Oh,
There's still more. You think
but
this
I
is
don't have one.
No, there's more.
I will. Wow.
Show.
Pero ang pinaka-espesyal daw sa lahat, ang laman ng kahong ito.
I really hope you like this one. This is the most important.
Alam ko na to. I said to her that I don't have laptop. Maybe laptop?
Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Maybe TV.
Maybe TV, maybe laptop, maybe album. No.
You know that ribbon, I will trace you.
You do the same
I will
thing as
put in
Mama.
the... Oh, thank you.
Facebook every
Yeah,
day.
yeah.
We talk on Facebook every day.
Wow. Very nice. I always use it.
Inshallah. This way you can speak to Jaika, you can see us, you can
Yeah.
speak to Madam.
Ang bait mo. You are very kind. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Si Ningning o Dada Mary, abot-abot ang pasasalamat.
Maraming salamat na naalala nila ako talaga. Masarap palang magmahal ng iba din. Na ikaw hindi ko akalaing mapapalitan ba? Hindi ko naman iniisip na maalala pa nila ako kasi matagal na panahon na. Maraming salamat talaga. Alam mo, dami kong pinagdaanan ng hirap. Sabi ko nga, marami pa rin sana naman matupad yung iba. Yun lang. Maraming salamat.
Ipinasyal rin ni Ningning si Rawan sa kanilang bayan. Ang dating magyaya, nagkantahan pa. Siyempre, sa awiting pambata na itinuro dati ni Ningning kay Rawan at sa kanyang mga kapatid.
Pinakot si Bioli on my sin. How we karabong bantutin.
Ipinatikim din ni Dada Mary kay Rawan ang mga pagkaing ipinagmamalaki ng kanilang bayan.
This is a yema cake.
Yama cake.
Delicious cheese with butter. Try.
Oh, wow.
Masarap.
Masarap. Very good.
Sarap, no?
What's this called?
Hab-hab.
Hab-hab.
Hab-hab means you eating using your mouth.
Oh.
Ganito, garne. Eat. Make that quick.
That's good. It's very good.
Ngunit kung may pagkain daw na hinahanap-hanap ni Rawan hanggang ngayon, ito'y ang kamote Q na dating iniluluto ng kanilang Dada Mary.
I tried making it once for my husband, but I wasn't able to make it crunchy. I burned it.
But the oil
very
must
hot
be
oil.
bubbling.
Bubbling. Okay. This is exactly the same way.
Masarap.
Masarap. Kamote Q.
Good for the heart.
My favorite dessert as a child.
Sa huli, isang mensahe ang iniwan ni Rawan para sa hindi malilimutang araw kasama ang kanyang dating yaya.
I love you.
I love it.
No, I'm really happy I'm here, and I'm happy that you're happy. I would love for us to keep always in touch, and I want you to just take care of yourself. Live your life. Do whatever you need to do just to be happy. Because everyone around you is happy, and you make them happy, and that's just very nice. Very nice to know.
Rowan, thank you very much
You're welcome.
for giving me a chance to meet you again. Thank you.
You're welcome,
I
sweetheart.
love you.
You're welcome, sweetheart. I love you too.
Sa dami ng mga inalagaang banyaga ng ating mga kababayan, ilan nga kaya sa mga ito ang may pagnanasang hanapin muli ang kanilang mga yaya para kamustahin at pasalamatan?
Hi, Rowan!
Hi, Dada!
Tunay ngang hindi matatawaran ang naiambag ng mga Pinay domestic helper at nani o yaya sa mga henerasyon ng mga banyaga sa buong mundo na itinuring nilang parang mga anak. Iniwan ang kanilang mga pamilya at mga anak dito sa Pilipinas para mag-alaga ng mga hindi nila kadugo.
Mahal kita!
Siningning bibit ng Candelaria Quezon o Dada Mary para kay Rawan at sa kanyang mga kapatid. Hindi nag-iisa sa ating lahi. Marami sila.